guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did this look on Instagram the other day and you guys absolutely loved it. I didn't film it because I didn't know where I was going with the look, but I knew that I wanted to do something like fall with still a little hint of summer. So I decided to do a look that incorporated like summer eyes and a fall lip. You guys loved it and you guys requested I do a tutorial on it, so I redid the look for you guys. I also show you guys how I did my little hide your pimple birthmark. You guys seem to love that too, and it's so funny that I happened to just get one like right there because I think that's a cute spot for a little fake mole. But I'll show you guys how I do that too. So I hope that you guys love this video, and if you want to see how I did this look, then please keep on watching. So the first thing we're gonna do, hopefully you guys could like see me at a good angle, but we're gonna prime our eyes. So for that I'm using Prolonger concealer from MAC in the shade NC30. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. Now I am going to grab the Be Marcel palette. So we're gonna grab this orange color right here, and I'm gonna use that with the Morphe M441 brush. You guys know how much I love this brush, and I'm gonna just start packing that on there. Once we have that, we are gonna grab we're gonna grab this orangey shade from the Electric palette from Urban Decay. This palette is old, but I love it. The colors are super vibrant and it just works. I love using this palette for certain colors. So we're gonna add this because this is like an even darker orange than the Be Marcel palette. So I'm gonna add that using a different brush. This is the E25 Sigma, and we're gonna apply that towards the outer crease. So we're gonna apply that on the outer crease and bring it in. You don't want to bring it up too high though, just enough to give us some dimension with the shadows. So since I have one eye done, I'm just gonna like use that as my guide to see where I gotta cut the crease. I'm gonna grab this light shade right here, and I'm gonna place that in the inner corners going towards the middle, and then I'm gonna place this pinky shade towards the outer corners to blend all of that out. Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? So now I'm gonna use this NYX glitter primer. Just gonna put a little bit on my brush, just a little bit, and I'm gonna go over that same part again, but I'm not gonna bring it out all the way in the corner because I just kind of want the glitter where the gold part is. And then I'm gonna go over that with the MAC Reflex, which is like this really, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like really pretty glitter. So yeah. Take you there, like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Now I'm gonna go in with my Tata lashes in the style Leilani. You guys know how much I love my Tata lashes. Don't forget to use code Maddie15 and you get a little cute discount. I got this flash color palette from Amazon. I'm gonna grab that teal color with my MAC 228 brush. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. From the same Urban Decay palette, I'm gonna grab the color Gonzo, which is this blue, and I'm gonna apply that on the outer corner of my eyes. Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? I'm basically gonna grab Nylon and Gold Mine from MAC. I'm gonna pop that in the inner corners, and that's just gonna really help make everything pop. I'm gonna grab my MAC Mineralize in the shade Dark, and I'm gonna use that to kind of warm up my skin. Can I take you there? Blunt blush from MAC. It's like considered a blush, but I use it as bronzer, like a contour. I use it like as a contour shade, and I'm gonna apply that just to deepen up my contour a little bit. So I used my Lorac Tantalizer Baked Bronzer in Golden Glow, and I'm just gonna apply that as blush. I'm gonna use KKW's brightening powder in the shade 3. Clearly, I need to get a new one, but it's sold out right now, so I don't know what to do with myself. I like to just use this to help blend out the blush and just like really just brighten up the under eye. And I love that, like, I could literally pack on more powder under my eye and this doesn't kick up on me at all. So I'm gonna use Chestnut from MAC as my lip liner and Smashbox Always On Liquid Lip in Slay Tan. And I'm gonna apply this on top. Now I did have a mole because I don't know if y'all could see. You see that little pimple right there? That little pimple right there? So I wasn't having that. So I did do like a little fake mole, but I might as well just show you guys because that's the look that I have. So using Anastasia's Chocolate Dip Brow, I'm just using, this is a brush. This is actually to paint, but I got this at Michael's. It's like so faded, but I do know that it's I think it's a 1 inch. I'm not sure. But we're just gonna dip like the corner of that into the dip brow. And I'm gonna like kind of make a, not a circle, but you know, like just kind of dot it on. Like that. So this is pretty much the completed look. I absolutely love it. I hope that you guys love it too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.